Ready to configure your details on JustSign? Let's walk you through the simple steps. To get started, log into your JustSign account and navigate to your document manager. From the top menu, click on My Details, then select Edit User Details. Enter your credentials in the provided fields. To upload your profile picture, click Edit Profile Image. Simply drag and drop or upload your picture file in JPG, PNG, or GIF formats. Adjust the size of your picture, and once you're happy with it, click Save. Now click on Edit Company Details. Enter your credentials in the fields, and to upload your company logo, click Edit Company Logo. Drag and drop or upload your logo file in JPG, PNG, or GIF formats. Adjust the logo size to fit perfectly, and click Save. And you're done. Your JustSign account is now fully configured and ready to use. You can subscribe to JustSign on our website, justsign.com.au, or call us on 02-9684-4199. Thanks for watching.